Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cosmos Atom. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. So I have been buying Cosmos Atom personally in this dip over here. I've been dollar cost averaging all the way from $9 to I think my last purchase was something around $13 and 20 or something. $13 roughly, okay? And the appreciation we have already is incredible, okay? It is really incredible. And hopefully we can hold levels of support and hopefully we can keep on with this bull market. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't spoil the party for the altcoins as it usually tends to do. So the weekly 20 EMA, just last week we had a nice bounce off the 20 EMA and we are getting a bit overextended from the 20 EMA on the weekly. That is fine. If you just consolidate a bit and you let the EMAs catch up, it would be fine. So we do have this Fibonacci set from this low to this swing high, and we do have a 0.618 target from there, sitting at $27.11. So have that buy order in. If you're looking to get into Cosmos, that would be a very good level to get into. Below that, we do have the 20 weekly EMA sitting at $20 roughly. And if we do end up coming back down there, then yeah, that's a nice price to get into Cosmos Atom. If Bitcoin has a nice correction, then only then I see us coming back down to the 20 EMA on the weekly this soon. If we take a look at some key indicators over here, so the MACD has a bullish cross over here. We did have a bullish cross, and the moving average is getting overextended from the signal line. And usually when that happens, as you can see, we go for the bearish cross. You have a correction, but this is a lagging indicator, so it only will have a bearish cross after the price has already dumped, okay, or went on a correction, so to speak. So on the RSI, on the weekly chart, we are overbought, so we're starting to get above the index on the 70, and this just means that, this would be a nice, area to start taking profits. But right now, what can happen is we can have a similar situation just like we had over here. As you can see, you get overbought, you come back down a little, then you get completely parabolic and overextended, and you still stay in the overbought for quite some time, okay? And this could be, the scenario over here. We come back up and we then, gradually come back down. So you want to be selling, obviously, the tops, but you're never going to learn, or you're never going to know or guess when the top is or where the top is. So you have to be taking profits along the way. You should have your personal financial goals. So yours are different from mine. And based on those goals, you need to set the targets for your altcoins. So if I'm willing to hold Cosmos Atom until it hits $100, okay, then I will sell, half of my position at $100 so that I could have this much amount of money. And the other half I would sell at $150 if it gets to that price. And we all have different financial goals, so you have to adjust your crypto targets based on your financial goals and never invest money that you need to use or basically money that you can't afford to lose. So stock RSI overbought right now. This is where you see the stochastic RSI being overbought, and after that we have a pullback. So I don't know if we're gonna get that pullback. We need a pullback, to be honest with you, if we want continuation. If we want healthy growth, we need a little pullback so that we can go even higher by December, okay? Jumping into the daily chart, let's see what's going on over there. We are a bit overextended on the 20 EMA on the daily chart, I believe. Something is wrong with Binance at the minute. I don't know why it's lagging. Okay, so jumping into the daily chart, let's just fix it up a bit. There we go. So you can see that we are above the 20 EMA, and that is fine. We are a bit overextended. If you see a pullback, you may just come back down to $26 over here. Okay, $26, and how much cents is that? 26. There we go, 26.34, and this is the target that I gave you on the weekly chart. So yeah, a bounce off the 55 EMA would be healthy, would be completely healthy as well. There we go, $20.91. Keep that price in mind. If Bitcoin has a little dump, you may see yourself come back down to this level, which is great. Obviously, we can just see in a couple of hours, Atom does something like this. Obviously, it gets overextended, gets to $50 or something. But would that be great? I mean, yes, but it wouldn't be healthy long term because then we would have a deeper correction. I mean, look at Solana right now. It's pretty much sitting on its place. But I mean, it has appreciated quite well. If Atom does appreciate like that quickly, then, you know, I'm definitely going to definitely going to start taking profits. So yeah, a couple of levels to keep an eye on, and this Fibonacci level 0.5 is important as well. It's one of the stronger support levels. So $23.45 is something you want to keep an eye on as well. Jumping into the key indicators on the RSI, you can see that we have built this nice support level over here. And if you see the RSI do something like this, because we are potentially going to start coming back down, and if you see the RSI well, that was a terrible drawing, but if you see the RSI bounce off this trend line, this would be a very nice place to put some money into Cosmos, because as you can see, each time we bounce off this trend line, we have a strong move towards the upside. So just keep that in mind. On the Stochastic Rsi, we have started coming up, but the bulls may not have enough steam to get us to this overextension. We may just end up falling back down. And that is something that you want to look at. The Stochastic RSI, honestly, honest to God, is one of the best indicators to use. So if you're down here, you buy. If you're up here, you sell. Simple as that. Some people trade on the RSIs only. The MACD on the daily is overextended as well, so you want to keep an eye on the MACD. But like I said, it's a lagging indicator, so you only have to I only use it for confirmation, okay? So once you get a bullish cross here, that's your confirmation that you're going up, and lo and behold, look at that appreciation, right? Look at the appreciation you get on the price action. So yeah, look at the 20 EMA, look at the 55 EMA on the daily. Those are very important levels to keep an eye on. Obviously, long term, we do have some targets. If we turn on the logarithmic scale and I set the chart to auto, I don't have the logarithmic Fibonacci level, right? I do apologize. Just gonna get that fixed immediately. No, fib level set. Yep, it should be. Yeah, we do have. So 1.618 at $103. That's something that we're looking at in this bull market. And level 2 sitting at $190. But these levels are based on these levels that I just gave you. So this is from the swing low to the swing high. If I set the fib like I did last time from the bullish cross in October or whenever we got it, yeah, December, to the top, then you get, you know, completely different targets. So we're targeting around $200 by the end of the bull market for Cosmos Atom. And I did see a guy recently say that Cosmos Atom is a shit token and it always keeps on going down. There's twice the sellers than the buyers. You know, some stuff, some stupid stuff like that. And I just told him that, you know, each blockchain is going to have its turn. Solana is having its turn right now. Sooner or later, Atom is going to appreciate it with price because this is a massive project. If you haven't read about it, go online, read about it. I do have a fundamental review on Atom on my channel, so check out the playlist called Great Projects or Amazing Projects to check out. I will have a link to that video down below in the description. And that's pretty much it, guys. Also, make sure to join in the Telegram chat. We do enjoy helping each other, guys, and we do share great low cap gems. And any problems, any questions you may have, just write them in the Telegram chat, and everyone is trying to help everyone, so you won't get left unanswered. And we are starting a Discord server, so that is going to be in the description as well. Make sure to join in the Discord server. We're going to have different chats on different topics, low cap gems, some crypto news, and yeah, it's going to be great, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.